Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Securing a Canadian university scholarship in 2025 often comes down to one key strategy: applying directly to the universities themselves. While external scholarships exist, the most significant awards are usually tied to specific institutions and their programs. Many students spend countless hours searching for external aid, missing out on the substantial funds universities set aside to attract top applicants. This direct approach dramatically increases your odds of finding that crucial financial support for your studies. To maximize your chances, begin your scholarship research at least 1 year before you plan to apply for university. Each Canadian institution offers a distinct array of awards, often based on academic merit, leadership, or specific program interests. Dive deep into their official websites, especially the financial aid and admissions sections. Understanding these unique eligibility requirements early on allows you to build a stronger profile, directly addressing what each university is looking for in a scholarship recipient. A generic application is a quick path to being overlooked. Instead, tailor everything. This means customizing your resume, personal achievements, and even the focus of your reference letters to match each specific scholarship's criteria. Highlight experiences and skills that directly resonate with the award's purpose, whether it's academic excellence, community service, or a passion for a particular field. Demonstrating this precise alignment truly sets you apart from the general pool of applicants. The personal essay or statement is your chance to shine and tell your story beyond grades. Use it to share a compelling narrative that highlights your unique experiences, passions, and future aspirations. Critically, connect your story directly to what the scholarship values, illustrating how you embody its ideals or how it will help you achieve specific goals. Authenticity and a clear connection to the award's purpose are far more impactful than just listing accomplishments. Even the most brilliant application is worthless if submitted late. Deadlines are absolutely non-negotiable. Organize yourself with a detailed calendar, tracking every university's specific scholarship application opening and closing dates. Once you've submitted, if appropriate and permitted, a polite follow-up can sometimes reinforce your enthusiasm and commitment. This meticulous approach not only ensures you complete everything on time, but also conveys a strong sense of responsibility and dedication to the admissions committee.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.